Oh, I do lessons on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. My sessions are priced to sell in packages. It's 18 minutes on the mat. It's supposed to be 20 minutes total, but I set up a 30-minute Zoom. So sometimes, you know, the chit chat runs a little longer. Sometimes I do run over with you should at least put this half hour in your calendar is what I'm saying, because sometimes I do run a little bit over with the actual lesson. And then I send you the Zoom, and it's $50 for one session, $75 for two, but it's $5 for 100. So it's really priced for the package, because I believe very firmly that people don't benefit nearly as much for one set. Like, you would learn so much more in 5 sessions with 5 different opportunities for feedback. And then I have some regular clients who do double sessions if you prefer, or they meet me twice a week. And then I've even had clients do triple sessions. So, you know, like a double session would be 36 minutes on the timer, 40 minutes total, and 45 minutes in the Zoom scheduling. The other thing that I do with people, because as you noticed, I have all these videos online, is I will give people a video to do this for homework, and then you study the video, and then you come to me and you show me, and then I say, oh, here's where you need help. Or you say, I got stuck here, what am I doing wrong? And then I give you direct feedback on how to fix that. So if you want to dramatically accelerate your practice, I would guess having structured guidance from a coach who, you know, I have a little experience, might be really helpful. Then my policy is 24 hours notice for cancellations. And if you cancel within 24 hours, then you lose the credits, although I reserve the right under certain extenuating circumstances to give people a break, because, you know, life happens. And then I mentioned that you get the Zoom, but then the other thing you noticed was ultimately I process all the videos and they end up online, so you would be able to see the lesson in a more condensed format, because I cut out all the personal content, but it's also higher definition because the Zoom is just kind of lower quality.